大家好，我是杜师傅。我们现在在内罗毕的 Zimmerman 区，这个地方的区域叫 Zimmerman，然后它的来名是因为原来这儿有一个德国人，他在这儿建了一个农场，他的名字是 Zimmerman。后来大家把这个区域，因为大家都去说，一说到这个农场就是说 Zimmerman，所以后来这个区域就以他的这个名字来命名。然后往前走大概就是 Gizrai 区域。Gizrai 它分两个区域 ，Gizrai 44和45。在这两个区域的话，这个 Gizrai 45可能是比较危险一些，去的人稍微少一些。Gizrai 44的话相对安全一些，但这个区域的人口都特别多。This part called Miraa, right?
Yeah, Miraa, this one. You want
Yeah. With
your eyes like this one?
Yeah, that's right.
It's our peddler called machinery.
Machinery.
Yeah.
That is my day.
Guys.
So, what you are selling now?
How much?
100 bob.
100 bob for one.
Yeah,
It's
100.
expensive. No. Usually like 50.
Yeah.
Where is it from? From Miraa, right?
This one from Miraa.
Yeah. It's from yesterday?
Yeah?
It's from yesterday?
Not yesterday, today.
Today?
Now, landing
Ah.
now. Delivery coming, dropping, and then going every location, changing
Oh, okay.
that one.
What do you call that car?
The car?
The car delivery.
The Miraa car.
Miraa car.
Yeah, Miraa car.
Yeah, it's very fast, right?
Yeah, very fast. Too much speed.
But this one is not so fresh, right?
This one is fresh. This one
Fresh,
is
but
from
usually this part is most.
Now we will go to sunny feet, okay?
Yeah.
So like this one,
Yeah.
it's like this one from the shamba.
Yeah.
Now we will go to sunny. Now we will sunny. We remove some this one. We call it mabati.
Mabati.
Yeah, this one. This one not allowed to eat.
They
It will
don't-
crush
yeah.
Yeah. Now we just come and eating only this one.
So this one is also because this one will cut, right?
We got you.
Okay. So only the
You buy from us?
fresh one, right?
Yeah.
Miraa.
I tried this before, and also they had in Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
Yeah. And it's famous in
Yemen.
Yemen,
Yeah,
Somalia.
yeah,
Somalia.
Too much eating.
Yeah. Too much
Somalia
eating. Yeah. How much you can get in one day?
Like this one now. This one is the one who's.
Who is selling it?
Yeah.
So this one, how much you can get?
5K.
5K
Yeah.
for this one.
All.
Ah.
Yeah.
So how much you can get?
Profit or profit?
Profit.
Profit, yeah.
Like 2K.
2K.
Okay, now it will come like 8,000 now.
8,000.
Remove 5,000 for stock, 3,000 yours.
And then for the car they deliver,
Uh-huh.
it's how many they carry?
They carry, depends.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like this one is ordering from his home.
Oh.
Yeah, his father have a land making this one. You understand?
His father has a
Yeah.
land.
No, now just delivering.
Yeah.
This one when reaching here, just coming and taking his.
And they just pay the delivery fee.
Yeah, already.
That's good. How much they should pay the delivery fee?
For delivery.
For delivery.
Delivery,
Where?
Meru.
Delivery na wambia unatolea kwa Meru ikikuja huku.
Hey, that is expensive.
Expensive.
How much? Like 2,000,
2,000.
3,000.
Oh, so it means this mocha maybe not so much, but the most fee is delivery fee, right? See here, it's made in China.
Made in China.
That's-
China, you? No. I saw you guys, American.
Yeah.
You selling us? Why are you selling like this one? iPhone, you making with $10.
No,
You coming selling us $500. Why like this?
That's you buy it from the you pay in China is very cheap.
Everything is made in China.
Yeah,
Look.
it's made in China, but it's cheap. It's cheap, right? Otherwise, how could you have it? Yeah, it's made in Kenya. It's made in China.
American too much hungry.
Yeah.
Dior making fake. LV making fake.
No. You see,
Gucci fake.
no. Every good product are made in China.
9% everything are made in China.
Yeah. So why you argue about it? It's like if you know made in China, you cannot use it.
What I believe,
Yeah.
China they make the second brand. You understand?
No. We also have our own brand.
You have your own branch.
Yeah. DJI, everything is own brand. Why you don't buy?
You guys, you cool, yeah?
Okay, sir. Yeah.